Alright, let's do an unboxing of a G305. So it's a mouse with cushion, on and off, looks nice, has nice feet. Took that out. So it also comes with the USB dongle. Don't lose it. Those are expensive, like 20 bucks. So yeah, nice accessory to have, but you won't work without it. Alright, as you can see in here, it also comes with a battery and a manual, which I won't use because I'm using my own battery too. So manual and battery. 75 grams without batteries. $24 with battery. So it weighs 92. And then the adapter. $89. Really light. Still kind of heavy. $82 without the lid. Still doable. Actually, you have to take out the adapter. No adapter. Now it's 88 without adapter. Not bad. Sound test. Has 4 colors. Changing DPI. On, off. So this has a liftoff distance of this many cards, so that's like 7 cards. So it works fine on like 1 or 2. No problems on 1 card. Liftoff distance. No issues on 2 cards. So doesn't swipe well though. Try swiping. This way won't work. This works. So like 1 millimeter liftoff distance. You can't do the settings though. Alright, so I'm gonna do a click test. So 240 ms is my latency test on the clicks. Still not bad. Alright, so we're gonna do a mouse latency test. It gets like 7 to 6 ms. That's not bad. Alright, let's do a quick game of Death Match with Quake. See my mouse is it's alright. I got killed. Two kills, not bad. Ah, I got killed. That's pretty accurate. Kills. This mouse is pretty accurate. It's more accurate than my current mouse.
He has the protection.
Alright, so the software is plug and play, and then it shows a battery. It's a G305. It glides pretty smooth because it has nice big feet, but I don't know how long the smooth PFE is gonna last. It's really smooth. I lowered the settings to 2450 and I left it at 800. So yeah. Alright, the only two grips I can do, it's a fingertip or claw grip. I mostly probably do this kind of grip. It doesn't fill up the whole hand. It's like this. So the feet are black. Do I recommend it? It's okay. It's not the best. It doesn't feel as fast as the wired still, the G303. This has crisper clicks. Maybe it's placebo effect. I'm not sure. Maybe it's placebo effect. No, they're more mushy. G203 has a better click. This feels more mushy, and the Microsoft mice are more clicky. But this is wireless, and the hero sensor is more accurate. It's more accurate. What else? And it's wireless, so you don't need to buy a bungee. A bungee is like $20 to $30. This is totally wireless. I can do this, and it'll move around. So, yeah. Do I recommend the buys? Sure. If you get it for like less than $50, $40 is pretty good, or 30. You can get it for 30, not bad. Latency is not as bad. The battery life is like 80. You can do mods like 3D print and make it like even more lighter. That's an option. Or you can play without the cover. You can gut it, or you can like mod 2 and 2 together with this, because the G305 is like the precursor to wireless mice, so you can like put wireless into any other mouse, gaming mouse, because it uses the same stuff, and you just like mod it together, make it happen, gut it, like swapping a Civic Corolla with a Toyota engine. You can do that with it. So yeah, this is basically like the G Hero, but less good clicks. So I highly recommend it if you're shopping for a mouse and you want something wireless, so you don't want a bungee. But the G203, it's still pretty good. Not as good as the Hero sensor. This is a better sensor, but not as good as a click. The better click is on the 203. It's the same form factor, except one is wireless and one is not wireless. So if you're shopping, go either or. It doesn't really matter. You can always do like a AAA to AA mod their battery, so it'll be lighter, and then it'll be a lighter mouse. So far, it's really good and really accurate. I like it. It feels great to be wireless, and the feet are a little bit thicker. They pretty have a lot of beef to it. It's like 0.5 millimeter. I don't know how long they'll last. You can get a new set of feet for $10 if you don't really care for it. It just makes sense to be like 50 to 100 more, 50 to 100 more DPIs. It's really up to you. Overall, no issues, and then it just feels a little tiny bit input lag, but it feels more accurate. The sensor is more accurate because I've been playing different games and it feels more accurate. It's just something that I get used to. The scroll wheel, I'm not used to it. My G305, my G203 has a nicer scroll. This scroll is a little bit more, I don't know, has a little bit more resistance. The right click and the front click are pretty good. The side buttons I don't use. These I don't use very much. I'm supposed these are bad switches because I haven't gutted the inside. I don't know. Maybe they're good because they cut corners in these. And it's easy to open the back. Like, boom. It's very open. You don't need to press anything. You just, like, slide it. You like that. Slide, and you just open. Pretty easy. And you can bring it anywhere. You put it in your backpack. No problem. And there's no LEDs. The only LED that it has is this one right here. And it changes colors by DPI. I don't know. Maybe they open the API, you can do like crazy rave lights with it or something, like Rainbow Road. So it has multicolor RGB. This tiny little light, which is pretty cool. But yeah, overall I like it. It's not too bright because it matches my black scheme because I have a black Razer keyboard, but I'm planning to get a white one. So yeah, it's a pretty good buy. If you're new to mice, this is a pretty good mouse. You want like wireless and no bungee, this is pretty good. So thanks for watching. Peace.